Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how I followed Rujita Dvakar's diet plan. She is one of Bollywood's celebrated nutritionist and the woman behind Karina's Zero Figure. She is one of India's leading nutrition science and exercise expert who always believes in vocal for local. She is also an author to many books on nutrition, pregnancy, weight loss, PCOS, thyroid, etc. My life almost changed when I read this book. Don't lose your mind, lose your weight. This book on weight loss convinced a lazy bum like me to actually go and exercise. So let's see what her diet plan is. Let me tell you that she charges lakhs for a personalized diet plans. But after reading almost all her books, following her on social media and making some lifestyle changes or almost all the lifestyle changes as she suggests, I will tell you how I followed her diet plan, and with every meal I'll let you know one special tip of hers. So let's get started, and if you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to stay connected with me and to see what I eat daily, what are my daily activities. Stay connected on Instagram.
Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up and it's around 6:30 a.m. And the first meal or the first thing I do in the morning, as per Ruchita Divekar, is just have a glass of water. So as per her, we should not wake up to tea or coffee as most of us Indians do, because that's not the best way that to wake up our organs or our senses after 8 to 10 hours of fast. But she asks you to have the Indian tea at a later point in the day. I'll tell you when. So 15 to 20 minutes later, this is the next meal of the day. That is a soaked handful of nuts. I eat soaked almonds or a banana. So I have this banana every day. You can have either of this, but I prefer having both of this because generally I work out after this, so I need some kind of pre-workout meal before my workout. So she says a banana a day keeps a doctor away. So banana is really beneficial. It is probably more than a year that me, my husband, my kid, my parents, we all wake up to banana. So there are two things which helps us is that this gives. I am not hungry by the time I prepare breakfast. This instantly fills me up, and you know that it has all the good things. Bananas are very healthy, and contrary to what people think, bananas don't lead to weight gain. At least it didn't lead to any weight gain in me. It in fact led to weight loss.
Now, time for exercise. She says that we should all lift weights, and weight training is very important at least once in 3 days. If you cannot exercise daily, try to exercise 3 to 4 days a week or once in 3 days. And along with exercise, strength training, she also emphasizes on yoga. So I do strength training a lot, but I'm not very much into yoga. Also, she puts special emphasis on activity. Apart from exercise, your entire day you should be active. Like you should stand when you are working for a long time, or you should walk while you are talking on the phone. You should play with your kid and something like that. So if you cannot exercise daily, you should exercise. She has a rule of pi, which means that you should exercise once in 3.14 days at least.
And it's time for my breakfast. According to Ruchita Divekar, your breakfast should never come out of a box or a packet like any packet cereals, cornflakes or muesli. It should be hot, fresh, prepared at home with love. So all the Indian breakfast options इसमें आ जाते हैं, जैसे पोहा हो गया, उपमा हो गया, डोसा हो गया, इडली हो गया, anything which is local to your region, which is your favorite, पूरी, पराठा, everything you can eat something which you have grown up with. So for today I have made this बेसन का चीला, जो कि मैं खा रही हूँ घर में बनाया हुआ दही के साथ. Really tastes yum. So any homemade breakfast, fulfilling, favorite breakfast should be on your plate, and it should be within 60 to 90 minutes of waking up. So go and enjoy your breakfast. We'll see you in the next meal.
30 to 40 minutes after your meal, you can have your regular adrak wala chai or coffee, but never with the meal or without the meal empty stomach. So just go and have your meal. You can have sugar in your tea too. Moderation is the key. So for mid-meal, she always says to have any local fruit that is available and local to where you stay. So I am having a guava here, very much local and full of all good things, antioxidants. So it is not imported like pears or kiwi or plum. Other options for this time are any homemade laddus like ragi laddu, olive laddu, flaxseed laddu. So you can have anything at this point of time.
Hi guys, हाय गाइस, सो नाउ द टाइम इज 1:30 और अब हो गया है मेरा लंच टाइम। तो चलिए देखते हैं मेरे थाली में क्या है। तो मैं और मेरे बच्चा एक साथ हम लोग लंच करते हैं। सो वन टिप विच रुजुता सेज दैट यू शुड ऑलवेज ईट विथ योर फैमिली एंड नॉट विद द गैजेट्स, नॉट विद द फोन और टीवी। तो हमारा टीवी गैजेट कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे टेबल पे और हमारा बेबी भी हमारे साथ खा रहा है। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू हर एन आइडियल मील शुड बी एन इंडियन थाली एंड इट शुड इंक्लूड द वे यू आर ग्रोन अप। So you can see मैं राइस खा रही हूँ। She says you can eat rice or roti. Then I'm having some sabji. Then I'm having this fish curry. So I am from Odisha and this is very much what I grew up with. So मैंने उसको वैसे ही बनाया है traditionally in mustard oil which she suggests. What is this? Okay. So you know so your children should also know what they eat, what is your part of tradition. That's what Rujuta always advocates. So I belong to the coastal belt, so I have made the fish curry exactly how it is made in mustard oil. Then she says you should include some fresh vegetables. So I got these beans. आज सुबह सुबह ही मैं लेके आई थी। मैंने इसको stir fry किया है and इसको मैंने घी में stir fry किया है because she tells you should include ghee in each and every meal. Then she says a part of your meal should also be curd और pickle जो कि घर में बना हुआ है। ये कर्ड भी मैंने घर पे सेट किया है which has probiotics and is good for your gut diversity. And then the good old पापड़। तो ये सारे चीजें आपके लंच थाली में होना चाहिए and it will create a soul satisfying meal. So let me enjoy my lunch. तो मैंने खा लिया बट मैं आपको ये बताना भूल गई कि what should be the ideal quantity. How much should you eat as per Rujita Divekar? Don't worry, stay tuned. I'll give you this tip while I serve my dinner. So time is around 5 p.m. और इस टाइम पे 4:30 हो रहा है, शायद 4:45, टाइम इज अराउंड 4:45 और थोड़ा सा बाहर बारिश भी हो रहा है एंड आई वांट टू ईट समथिंग चटपटा। एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू घी इन एवरी मील, मैंने बस 1 टीस्पून घी गरम किया है, उसमें आई एम एडिंग दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ मखाना और इसको हम लोग इस घी में फ्राई करेंगे टिल इट टर्न्स क्रंची। So time is around 5:15 p.m. and I'm going to have this yummy crunchy makhana. So as per Rujita Divekar, you should have a handful of
peanuts or makhana or options like sandwich, poha, सुबह का any leftover portion of सुबह का नाश्ता, idli, dosa or any such fulfilling meal at this time.
Categorizes it into 2 parts. Like if you are outside and you return home after a long traffic at around 8-9 p.m. तो इतने से खाने से आपका पेट नहीं भरेगा and you will be hungry by 7 p.m. So you can have a heavier meal, but this meal is very important. It should be a wholesome, nutrient-rich meal. And I'm staying at home and मैं बहुत early dinner करती हूँ, like 7:30 से 8 के बीच. So this will be enough. If not, मैं कुछ और भी खा लूँगी and I'll show you. 7:30 PM और मैं जा रही हूँ डिनर करने. As per Rajita Devekar, your dinner should be 3 hours before midnight. Or she has a very simple suggestion for your dinner, that is just eat dal chawal with ghee. So that's all that she asks you for eating dinner. It's a simple, fulfilling meal. But because I am from Odisha, I am having rice with ghee and some dalma. This dalma recipe is already on my channel, as you have already seen, and I am a die-hard dalma lover. So rice and dalma is my dinner. And I also told you that I'll tell you how much you should eat in the dinner time. So the simple rule that she asks you to follow is, suppose you want it, then you serve yourself half the quantity of rice, okay, and then eat it in double the time. Then if you are still hungry, you take half of the remaining and follow the same principle. And if you are still hungry, then you take half of the remaining. So that way you spend more time chewing and processing the food, and you end up consuming the right amount. So that's all for my dinner. 10:30 बज रहे हैं और मैंने अपने दूध को थोड़ा सा हल्दी और पेपर पाउडर के साथ 5 मिनट्स बॉईल करने को छोड़ दिया है.
So I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and here is the meal plan. Do let me know how you felt about it, and don't forget to subscribe.